28 divided by 7. Here 7 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 7. 7 times 0, 0, 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 2, 14, 7 times 3, 21. Look, to find out the multiplication table of 7 easily, just add 7 with the previous step. 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 21 plus 7, 35. So now you can easily find out the multiplication table of 7. 7 goes into this 2 how many times? 0 times, as 2 is less than 7. 0 times 7, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next digit. So 7 goes into this 28 how many times? Look, 7 goes into 28 4 times. Right, 4. 4 times 7, 28. Subtract, you are getting 0. So your answer is 4. This 0 don't have any value. It is situated in the left side of a digit. So 4 is your answer or quotient.